Hi everybody, today is a potato harvesting day and we're gonna pick some potatoes from our little potato patch in the yard. Come join us. So here is our potato patch that's been growing for about 5 months. You ready to help Daddy? Alright, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Check that out, Rylee. Whoa! Awesome. There you go. There we go. Quick tip on when you're harvesting your potatoes, you don't want to water it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. You want to make sure the plant is already dead or dying. Gives them some opportunity to develop hardened skin so that you can store it. Makes storing them a lot easier. And also, you don't want to wash these potatoes until you're ready to consume. Okay, the compost. There's a great chance you're always going to lose one of these guys. Just from that one plant, we've already harvested this many potatoes. Pretty amazing.
Oh, how was that?
There's still some good size ones.
It's over. Oh. It's this thing. Yay! This is fun. Oh, it has a wing.
This is Daddy's. Check out all those potatoes.
Over here.
Let's go ahead and check the weight. It is. Daddy was closer than Rylee.
Yeah.
Pretty good, right? 27 pounds. High five.
Look at.
We're just gonna keep these things here. We're gonna store it in a nice, dry, shaded place inside the house. Sit for about 3 weeks. We ended up getting some chickens. We kind of experimented using their poop as fertilizer. Thanks for watching.